Alright, I have a 2012 Toyota 4Runner, and I'm going to change the passenger side front door lock actuator. Because when we hit the lock button, or the unlock button, it does not move. I had to replace the drive one a couple of months ago. Here's the new part right here. I have some tools ready, and I'm going to show you how we'll get this done. Pop that off. There's a screw in there. We have to pop this off. And I'm using these plastic trim tools. There we go. There's a screw in there. And we have a little trim piece right under here we're gonna get. And there's a screw right there. And then once we get the door panel off, we're gonna come over here and undo those screws. So we're gonna take a Phillips, we're gonna get this screw out right here. We're going to get this screw out right here. Right in there. And we're going to pop this off. We got the 3 screws. Now we're going to pop the door panel off. We got to get under here. I'm gonna have to grab it with 2 hands. Okay, I had to grab it real tight at the bottom with 2 hands. And you just pop these little clips out. And you work your way around. And the whole door is loose. Then you can just grab it by this handle and lift up. And then we gotta take and undo some clips back here. Push that. Push that down as you pull, and it comes out of there. And I'm trying to get back here and show you how you do this. And you get that out of there. I'm trying to get the camera where I can show you this one. There you go. It pops out. And it comes right out of there. Now the door panel is loose. Let's set this aside. Now what we're going to do, we're going to pull this weather strip material and get it out the way. Gonna pull these two through here. We'll just pull this material back. We'll stick it back in place when we're done. We just need to get it out of our way so that we can get to that piece right here. Let's see if I can show you a picture of it, a view of it. Right there, there's the piece we have to get out. And we'll have to undo that rod and put the rod back in the new one. But we're gonna grab our Torx wrench. It's a T30. That's it right there. I'm gonna take these Torxes out and I'm gonna get to it and I'll be right back. Got the 3 bolts out. We have to come get this electrical connector out right here. So you push that tab in with your finger, right there. Push it to the right and just pull it out. Tab right there. Now we have to get in here and get that rod taken out. I'm gonna have to undo that window track right there. We have 1 bolt right here. Let me get the socket for that and I'll take that window track and get it out the way. Okay, we're gonna take this bolt out right here, which is a 10mm. Hold the window track on. So we can just slide it out the way to get that door actuator from behind there. And then we get in there, we're gonna get that rod out right there. As soon as it came out, the rod came out, it fell. Let's match it up with the new one. And there you go. So I'm gonna go get this on the table and change these cables out. All right, I have the old actuator sitting next to the new one. We need to change the cables. So you're going to pry this open. You want to get that little door open right there. And grab it. and pull. I got that one open, and we have the new one open. Put the new one in. Snap it in place. We're going to do the blue one. Snap it in place. Close the little door. Show it's secure. So it looks like the old one did. Now we're going to go put it back in the door. So we have to get that rod right there in the hole, right there on the back of the actuator. Kind of hard holding the phone and doing this with one hand. We're going to do the best we can. We're getting close. Let me pause and I'll be right back once I get it hooked up. Alright, I got the rod in there, I'll show you. Move the window track out the way. Put the rod in there. And we got a bolt started. We're going to put the other two bolts in. Remember these are your torque bolts, are 30s, T30. All right, we're gonna put the door panel back on. We gotta plug in. We're gonna plug this. Plug that in, and we're going to come put these cables back on. White's on top, green's on bottom. Gotta put these two cables right there. I'm trying to get back here and show you how you do this. The door panel back in place on the top, and then on the bottom you push them real tight. Make sure all these clips are in. You'll push them and you'll hear them snap. And then we're going to put the screws back. One screw is right here by the door handle. It has a piece of trim. Push that back in place. We have that screw that goes back, and also screw that goes in here. Screw that goes right in there. Snap that back in place. All right, the door panel's on. I put all the screws. I got one screw left. Screw, fill Phillips screw in here. Make sure this is tight. That's tight. Close this trim. Close this piece. Added this trim. One more piece of trim goes right here. That trim, and then we're working. It's working now. Before it was broke. So we're all done. If y'all have any questions, just send me a message. I'll do the best I can to help you. I'm not a mechanic, but I've changed these out of the necessity to save some money. It probably cost me $28. I believe I ordered this one on Amazon. I changed the driver's side a few months back and ordered that one on aauto.com. But funny enough, aauto.com had all three, the two back ones and the driver's side. They didn't have the passenger side front. So that's why I went to Amazon. And we'll see how long it lasts. I mean, for a $30 part, it's pretty easy to change. So there you go. Everything's done. Y'all have a good one.